and play. Toddler! Mama shark, kind and sweet. Mama shark moves her feet. Mama shark, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Let's hug and dance today. Pizza!
Papa Shark, strong and tall. Papa Shark protects us all. Papa Shark, do-do-do-do-do-do.
Let's clap and shout, hooray! Grandma Shark, slow but bright. Grandma Shark glows at night. Grandma Shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. She tells us tales all day. So?
Grandpa Shark, brave and wise. Grandpa Shark with smiling eyes.
Hey.
Grandpa Shark, do-do-do-do-do-do, leads us through the bay.
All the sharks now spin around, splashing bubbles, what a sound. Baby shark and friends all play in the sea so bright today.